Welcome one and all. This is Shomudi Pudutundo back here with national weather prediction of Pan India for next 3 days. Let's move on to the city or the presence of the satellite image observation. If we see properly throughout the city observation in a specific time duration, a cyclonic circulation been prevailing, which will furtherly move towards India and cause a heavy downpour in upcoming 24 to 48 hours in the northern states because of the presence of this western disturbance. A snowfall condition will be also possibly seen in the northern places with isolated cloudy conditions. While northeast sectors will also get a very high rainfall coverage this time, specifically in Upper Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, these areas, and also presence of this cyclonic system in case of Bay of Bengal is possibly bringing isolated light rainfall in Tamil Nadu and Kerala adjoining South Indian coastlines. Moving on for the North Indian sector, as I said, there will be possibly more rainfall in upcoming 3 days, but there will be a foggy coverage in Uttar Pradesh and adjoining areas in morning in the foothills districts. While in the case of Rajasthan and adjoining districts, a foggy and a cloudy condition will be prevailing in morning hours. Moving on to the city temperature update for this North Indian sectors. Moving on, for 23 degrees Celsius maximum temperature is being recorded in Delhi with a minimum temperature of 9, and a clear sky condition will be possibly seen in our capital. In Srinagar, 8 degrees Celsius is maximum and -7 degrees Celsius with isolated snowfall condition in Srinagar, while Simla with 12 degrees Celsius as maximum and 5 degrees Celsius as minimum will be recorded. While Lucknow getting 22 degrees Celsius as maximum and minimum being 8 degrees Celsius recorded. Jaipur getting 25 degrees Celsius as maximum, 9 degrees Celsius as minimum, and Bhopal getting 28 degrees Celsius as maximum and 12 degrees Celsius as minimum. Moving on to the South Indian sectors. South Indian sectors will be visibly seeing a cloudy condition in upcoming 24 hours, and this cloudy condition will aggravate in 48 hours because of the presence of a cyclonic system in Bay of Bengal adjoining to Sri Lankan coasts. Moving on, for the city is getting the temperature for 30 degrees Celsius as maximum and 20 degrees Celsius as minimum in case of Visakhapatnam, getting a clear sky condition, with Chennai getting 30 degrees Celsius approximately same as that of Bhubaneswar, getting a temperature of minimum 20 degrees Celsius in both the cases. Bangalore getting a temperature of relatively higher 30 degrees Celsius as maximum and 15 degrees Celsius as minimum, and Mumbai getting 36 degrees Celsius as maximum and 18 degrees Celsius as minimum, with Goa getting averagely same type of temperature is that of Mumbai. Moving on, for the eastern zone of India will be getting an isolated foggy and patchy rainfall coverage in Meghalaya adjoining Assam and Upper Assam as well as Arunachal Pradesh, and this effect will get affected in case of also in Nagaland and isolated places of Imphal, while other 7 sisters will be clear, with West Bengal getting an average more rainfall in case of Sikkim adjoining West Bengal, while other states will be getting an isolated like foggy condition in upcoming morning, but though this fog tendency will be only prevailing in northern sectors, while south will be getting averagely calm condition, while other states will be having no such aberrant effect. Cities getting Kolkata getting 28 degrees Celsius as maximum and 17 degrees Celsius as minimum will be recorded with a clear sky condition. Patna getting 23 degrees Celsius and 9 degrees Celsius as minimum. Ranchi getting 28 degrees Celsius as maximum and 11 degrees Celsius as minimum. Imphal getting 22 degrees Celsius as maximum, 9 degrees Celsius as minimum, and Gangtok getting 13 degrees Celsius as maximum as well as 6 degrees Celsius as minimum. Moving on, for the latest temperature related condition in next 3 days, if we see properly, then a gradual higher temperature will be recorded in the coastline of Mumbai till Kochi and Thiruvananthapuram in next 24 to 48 hours, while a gradual low temperature will be recorded in case of North Indian sectors adjoining to New Delhi. A gradual low temperature of 10 degrees Celsius will be marked present in the northern states as well as in the northeastern states, while in the central Indian cases a moderate climate will be prevailing with isolated coverage of clouds in the morning hours. Moving on to the temperature being recorded in last 24 hours as minimum, as the first place is Zojila with -24 degrees Celsius and Dras followed by minus 22.5, followed by Padam with minus 22.4, Nyoma with minus 19.5, Leh with minus 17.7, Tansei at minus 15.8 respectively. Moving on for the next, temperature as well as the significant weather condition being prevailing in Pan India was moderate. But if we see the rainfall will be in northern sectors Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Chandigarh, Punjab will see an isolated light rainfall, that is 0 to 20 millimeter approx, as that of the Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura will also experience the same type of rainfall with Sikkim also. While Arunachal Pradesh will be getting relatively higher in the seven sister states, that is moderate, getting 20 to 65 millimeter of rainfall approximately next 3 days. While in case of southern states like Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, as well as Lakshadweep and Andaman will be getting isolated light rainfall condition in upcoming 3 days. Moving on, for the weather alert for next 3 days, a foggy condition will prevail in eastern India with containing Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, then Odisha, West Bengal and Seven Sisters. While Arunachal Pradesh will be getting a thunderstorm activity as well as the northern parts containing Jammu Kashmir, Leh Ladakh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, as I said, because of the circulation prevailing over Bay of Bengal, there will be spotty rainfall possibility in next 3 days. Moving on for the Prayagraj, for Kumbh Mela specific update, let's see a clear sky condition will be prevailing in next 24 hours, while 8 degrees Celsius as minimum temperature will be recorded in the first day, with 30th January getting 8 as well as 31st getting 9th as respected. A more temperature will be getting recorded in 1st February onwards, getting till 3rd February till 14th. The range is quite a higher, 10, 12, 14 will be recorded as the minimum temperature in Prayagraj. Moving on, for the more weather related updates, stay connected with us in our Facebook page and YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.